Hello everyone, and welcome to my home decoration channel. In today's video, I will show you how to transform a simple living room into a cozy and comfortable space. With some design tricks and carefully selected decorative elements, we will create an atmosphere that invites relaxation and enjoyment of special moments at home. One of the first steps in transforming your living room is choosing a warm color palette. Opt for soft tones like beige, cream, or light gray for the walls, and add pops of color with cushions, curtains, and accessories. These warm colors will create a cozy and relaxing atmosphere in the space. Choose comfortable and functional furniture that invites rest and relaxation. A plush sofa with soft cushions and a well-placed coffee table will create a focal point in your living room. Add additional chairs to accommodate guests. Don't forget to include shelves or storage furniture to organize your books, magazines, and decorative objects. Lighting plays a crucial role in creating a cozy atmosphere. Opt for floor lamps or sconces that provide warm and soft lighting in different areas of the room. You can also add candles to create an intimate and relaxing ambiance during the evenings. Remember to play with different levels of lighting to achieve the desired effect. Decorative details are what truly add personality and warmth to your living room. Add decorative cushions with soft textures and interesting patterns. Place a soft and plush rug to add warmth and define the space. Curtains also play an important role, allowing you to control the entry of light and providing privacy. Finally, hang artwork or photographs on the walls to add a personal touch to the decor. Don't forget to create dedicated spaces for relaxation. You can add a comfortable chair and a floor lamp near a window, creating a cozy reading nook. If you have space, consider incorporating a hammock or a meditation corner where you can relax and disconnect from the daily stress. And there you have it. By following these simple tips, you can transform your living room into a cozy space where you can enjoy special moments with family and friends. Remember, the key is to choose warm colors, comfortable furniture, appropriate lighting, and add decorative details that reflect your personality. I hope you enjoyed this video and found inspiration to decorate your own living rooms.